So in this video, you'll learn how to zoom in and out on CapCut PC. So the first step is to open your project and ensure that it's been added onto the timeline. And then you want to ensure that you've selected your project. Once you've done that, you then want to ensure that this is at the beginning of the project. So move it to the beginning. And then once you've moved it to the beginning, you want to come to this video section, ensure that you see transform, and then you should see this keyframe icon here. So from here, if you want to start zooming in from the very beginning of the video, you can. Alternatively, you can always just play the video until you reach the certain point where you want to zoom in. And then once you've reached there, you can just add keyframe. And then you want to come to this scale and you want to, if you're zooming in, simply move it to the right. If you're zooming out, you just want to move it to the left. It's up to you to decide. So let me zoom in like that. And so once I've zoomed in, I'll then play the video again until I reach a certain point where it stops. Then I can add a keyframe. And then I can zoom in even further or zoom out. Again, it's completely up to you. And then once you've done that, you can continue going through the video and choose to zoom either in and out while also remembering to add keyframes. And so just finish up the project. So now let me start zooming out. So add keyframe, zoom out, then add the last keyframe. Like that, and then add keyframe. So you can see I've added keyframes successfully. So from here, now when I play the video, you can see it zooms in and it zooms out. So these instructions should apply whether you're using a video or a photo. So I've been using a photo, but again, if you have a video, just follow through these instructions. And you can even choose to adjust it to your liking. So when you reach a keyframe, so for example, I reach this keyframe here, instead of it just going back to normal, I can even choose to just frame it like that. So it just shows that area there. So now when I play my video, whenever it reaches that specific keyframe right here, it will move and you can see it's already been adjusted. So it's up to you to decide how you want to scale it and where you want to put the keyframes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.